So, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800S. In this video I'll show you how to connect the rear camera. First, let's take a look at the side of the phone, of the camera. Right here we've got the AV port. And as you can see right here, we've got this additional long cable, thanks to which we can connect our rear camera to main camera. Simply plug this cable to this port.
Start recording emergency video.
And now when it's done, plug the rear camera to this long cable. And as you can see, and here, backup camera is now connected.
Switch to rear recording.
Now you can switch view
Switch to rear recording.
thanks to this button.
Switch to front recording. Switch to rear recording. Switch to front recording.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.